Unlocking Business English, Understanding, Signed a Deal with. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that you might hear in news, business discussions, or even in movies: signed a deal with. We'll break down what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it fully. So, let's get started. When someone says they signed a deal with someone else, it means they have reached an agreement or contract on certain terms. This phrase is commonly used in business contexts, where companies or individuals agree to work together under specific conditions. The word signed indicates that the agreement is official, typically documented in writing and legally binding. Understanding the context in which signed a deal with is used is crucial. This phrase can be applied in various situations, from simple contracts like hiring a freelance writer, to complex agreements like forming a partnership between two companies. The context helps determine the nature and significance of the deal. Let's look at some sentences to see how this phrase is used in real-life scenarios. 1. The software company signed a deal with a major retailer to supply their inventory management system. 2. An upcoming artist signed a deal with a record label, marking the beginning of their professional music career. 3. Our university has signed a deal with an online platform to provide free courses to students. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, used in different industries and for various purposes. To use this phrase correctly, follow this structure: subject plus signed a deal with plus object. The subject is usually the person or entity initiating the agreement, while the object is the person or entity agreeing to the terms. Remember, the focus is on the action of making an official agreement. Understanding phrases like signed a deal with can significantly enhance your business English vocabulary and help you grasp the nuances of professional conversations. We hope this video has shed light on this important phrase and its usage. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out in the comments with questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.